Good morning, Pure Structure Traders. Today is May 28, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the major levels on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels for you guys, and then I'll go over some levels on gold and also oil for you guys. For those who are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. For those who are, thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop into this, give you guys some levels that we got. So for some more of the major levels on S&P that I got here, I got a resistance sitting here at 42.1675 with a support. One of the minor supports coming in at 42.0325. Actually, it's a kind of a major level of support for me. Below that, I have a 41.78 and 41.8125 as the next major level of support. And underneath that is 41.6775. So we'll see if the market gets around those levels. But with that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy to give you guys some more of the minor levels that she has on the charts there.
Good morning, Dave. You're such a trooper for being here today. We sure love your dedication. So thanks for being here. We have a lot of things happening in price movement from yesterday through London, and it is gorgeous. Since we are bullish, if we don't want to wait to trade those main levels, we do want to find those micro peaks in between to get into a long So where are they hiding? Well, we start from the bottom. Number one, 89.25, 4189.25. We have a nice peak there. It broke above it and used a rotational bounce off of it perfectly to head up to the 0975 area. Number two, 41.99. It was used once during London, headed up to 42.0725, but the market may want to come down and use it again. We'll see. Number three, 42.0725. The micro peak number two went up there. So that is our third peak, but not only a peak, it's the neck of the double top. That double top is up there at 42.1750. And that neck is just perfect at 42.0725. Not a coincidence that the market came down pre-market to use as a short bounce up. Whether it gets up to that resistance area, we don't know, but that's good for a real quick long, which is what I did. So we have beautiful, clean price action today so far. This is going to be fun to trade. And we've got all kinds of levels. We have Dave's main, my micros. Let's make some money. It's going to be fun. Dave, back to you for oil and gold.
Awesome work. Awesome work. All right. So for gold, we're a little bit of a range here. We got some tight resistance we're coming up against here at 1900.8. Do want to see the market reject off that level one more time and then come right back down into our mid area of 95, 96, and then down to our support 1890.4 to 1888.4. Resistance above 1900 is 1904.5 and then 1908.3. Below these 1888.4s, you can look out for support at 1877. So we'll see what the market gives us and what opportunities we have for the downside movement. Let's take a look at oil for you guys as well. Oil almost moved into our measured move here, right around these 68.01s. I don't think it's going to be coming back down too deep. We've had some pretty shallower pullbacks. We do got a level of support that happened right here at 66.70. Could be another opportunity. Minor level above that 66.88. Got a little bit of a double top sitting here at resistance 67.45, but very risky to try to short it in this bullish trend. They want to look for a pullback support and a continuation up to 68.01. So you could look for support 66.70, 66.52, 66.22 as your support levels. Underneath that, 65.34 as the next support level, and then below that, 64.91. So we'll see what S&P, gold, and also oil gives us. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.